So, finally it is here. I have waited for this thing for so long. This is my insta360 GO2, my action cam. I ordered it last month and I was waiting it for so long to arrive because so far, I do all the recording with my iPhone. Right now also I'm doing with that. But I wanted an action cam, just to record outside to make it a little bit more easier for myself. So finally I have it. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of it. Let's see what is inside this box, this packing. Oops. I have to be a bit careful with opening it. I don't want to mess up the box. Something. Okay. Yeah. Almost took like a month to arrive. Well, okay, not a month. How many? 20 days? Yeah. Around 20 days it took to arrive. Okay. Crazy it is. So, I will do the unboxing today. Oops. Saved. Don't want to cut my finger. What is this? Okay, something from the shipping company. Okay. Maybe I have to get a little bit more from this side. Oh, it was stick from here. That's why it was taking so much effort. And okay. Sorry for making a little bit mess. I do that every time. I'm pretty bad with unboxing stuff. But yeah. So here it is. Insta360 Chase Adventure. Let's chase it. Please steer here. Okay. I will steer here. Done. And here it is. Wait for it. Ta-da! Finally, Insta360 GO2. Oh, maybe there's something else in it? No, nothing. So, here it is. The thing I was waiting for so long. I hope it's money worth. It costed me around 320 euros here in Germany. Yeah, 319 and some 99 or 90 cents more. Round figure, 320. It is cheaper in America and other countries, but yeah, in Germany it's a bit expensive. So I hope that it is worth 320 euros. And what all stuff does it have? So definitely Insta360 GO2, a charger case, charge cable, magnet pen. Wait, let's do one thing. Let's just open it. It's better to see it directly than just checking from outside. And what all things it can done. That will be so cool. Where shall I cut it? I'm just a bit scared, I just don't want to fuck up. So, here you go. And here is it. This is done. From this corner too. And this corner as well. So, okay. Keep it down here. I will throw it later, definitely. I'm not gonna leave it like that. Okay. Insta360 GO2, the tiny mighty camera. God, I'm so fucked up. Insta360 GO2, the tiny mighty action cam. Yes, now I said it right. Slowly. Oh my God, here it is. Think big. Look at this. So small. Like so freaking small it is. Almost size of thumb. Well, yeah, almost, yeah. My thumb, exactly. Perfect. This is it. This one. Then what do we have here? Okay, we have the magnetic pendant. Is inside, I guess. Yes, it is inside. So charge case instructions. Quick guide. Here is the clamp, charging cable, charging case, and one more clamp. So yes, this is it. That's all inside. Oh, I forgot to take this thing out. Let me do that quickly. There you go. Aha, look at this. Pretty cool, right? Can I adjust it? Oh yes, I can adjust it. I can just make it a little bit smaller from there so that it can be a bigger section. And here, how about if I just keep it inside and just give it a try? Looks good, right? It's perfect. I can just hang it, go for a run. I can walk in the city, show you guys how beautiful Hamburg it is, and that will be perfect. Great, man. Super great. So yeah, these all are the things what it can do. Flow state stabilization, hands-free, mount anywhere. Mount anywhere. I think because of this pivot stand, this clamp. That's pretty cool. So I'm just trying to open it softly. Okay. And there's a cover on it. So just have to remove and it can be stuck anywhere. Should I try? Like that. That's interesting. That's super cool. Wow. Really nice. That's pretty interesting. It's pretty good for those people who are cooking and then they need to record it. Then they don't need an extra hand and they can just record it by themselves. That's pretty cool. And what is the size of this charging cable? You see, just a little bit extra. Let's check what's there. So you can charge it with this. Okay. Looks cool. It does have a tripod stand. Oh, that's nice. But it's also pretty cool if I want to do vlogging like this. What do you guys think? Perfect. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna show you how it is my first impression as my first action cam, and what do I feel about it and how much I'm enjoying it, or if there's something that I don't like. I'm gonna do all of those things and let you guys know. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.